The history of spaceships is a fascinating tale of human curiosity, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown, beginning in the mid-20th century and evolving into today's sophisticated and ambitious space exploration endeavors. Our journey starts with the launch of Sputnik 1 by the Soviet Union in 1957, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. This monumental event sparked the space race, a fierce competition between the Soviet Union and the United States. Just 4 years later, in 1961, the Soviet spacecraft Vostok 1 carried Yuri Gagarin into space, making him the first human to orbit the Earth. This achievement was a testament to the rapid advancements in rocket technology and human ingenuity. Not to be outdone, the United States accelerated its own space program, culminating in the historic Apollo 11 mission in 1969. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon, with Armstrong famously stating, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The Apollo program not only demonstrated the capabilities of human spaceflight but also laid the groundwork for future exploration by developing key technologies and expertise. The 1970s and 1980s saw significant developments in both manned and unmanned space exploration. The Soviet Union continued its space program with the launch of the Salyut and Mir space stations, which served as early testbeds for long-duration human spaceflight. Meanwhile, the United States launched the Skylab space station, which provided valuable data on the effects of prolonged weightlessness on the human body. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft, which embarked on a grand tour of the outer planets, sending back stunning images and groundbreaking scientific data that expanded our understanding of the solar system. These missions demonstrated the potential of robotic exploration, paving the way for future missions to the outer reaches of the solar system. The 1980s also marked the advent of the Space Shuttle era, with the launch of the first reusable spacecraft, Columbia, in 1981. The Space Shuttle program revolutionized space travel by allowing for the reuse of spacecraft, thereby reducing costs and enabling more frequent missions. The shuttles carried astronauts into orbit, deployed satellites, and facilitated scientific research through the deployment and servicing of space telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope. The shuttle program also played a crucial role in the construction of the International Space Station, ISS, a collaborative effort involving space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. The ISS, launched in 1998, serves as a microgravity laboratory and a symbol of international cooperation in space exploration. As the 20th century came to a close, the focus of space exploration began to shift towards the inclusion of private companies. This shift was driven by the need to reduce costs and increase the frequency of space missions. In the early 2000s, SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, emerged as a major player in the space industry. SpaceX's Falcon 1 became the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit in 2008, signaling a new era of commercial spaceflight. SpaceX continued to achieve significant milestones with the development of the Falcon 9 rocket and the Dragon spacecraft, both of which were designed to be reusable. In 2012, Dragon became the first commercial spacecraft to dock with the ISS, demonstrating the viability of commercial cargo delivery to space. This achievement was followed by the launch of Crew Dragon in 2020, which successfully transported astronauts to the ISS, marking the first crewed orbital launch from U.S. soil since the retirement of the Space Shuttle in 2011. Meanwhile, other private companies like Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, and Boeing, with its CST-100 Starliner spacecraft, also made significant strides in developing commercial spaceflight capabilities. Blue Origin focused on suborbital tourism with its New Shepard rocket, while Boeing aimed to provide crew transportation services to the ISS. These developments highlighted the growing role of the private sector in space exploration and the potential for space tourism and commercial space activities. The exploration of Mars has also been a major focus in recent years. NASA's Mars rovers, including Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, have provided invaluable data on the Martian surface, climate, and potential for past life. Perseverance, launched in 2020, carries advanced scientific instruments and the Ingenuity helicopter, the first aircraft to fly on another planet. These missions aim to pave the way for future human exploration of Mars, with NASA and SpaceX both planning manned missions to the Red Planet in the coming decades. In addition to Mars exploration, the search for life beyond Earth has driven missions to other celestial bodies. NASA's Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in the 2020s, aims to explore Jupiter's moon Europa, which is believed to have a subsurface ocean that could harbor life. Similarly, missions to Saturn's moon Enceladus, known for its geysers that eject water vapor and organic compounds, are being considered for their potential to reveal signs of extraterrestrial life. The field of space exploration has also expanded to include asteroid mining and planetary defense. NASA's OSIRIS-RX mission successfully collected samples from the asteroid Bennu in 2020, which will help scientists understand the composition of asteroids and the early solar system. Efforts to develop technologies for deflecting potentially hazardous asteroids are also underway, with the goal of protecting Earth from future impacts. The advancement of space technology has been paralleled by efforts to make space more accessible and sustainable. The development of smaller, more cost-effective satellites has enabled a new era of Earth observation and communication. CubeSats and small satellite constellations, such as SpaceX's Starlink, aim to provide global internet coverage and improve our understanding of Earth's climate and natural resources. These innovations have the potential to revolutionize industries and improve life on Earth through enhanced connectivity and environmental monitoring. Looking to the future, space exploration promises to become even more ambitious and inclusive. The Artemis program, led by NASA, aims to return humans to the Moon by 2024 and establish a sustainable presence by the end of the decade. This program will involve the construction of the Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the Moon, and the development of new lunar landers and habitats. The lessons learned from lunar exploration will serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. International collaboration remains a cornerstone of space exploration, with countries like China, India, and the United Arab Emirates making significant contributions. China's Chang'e missions have achieved remarkable success, including the first landing on the far side of the Moon and the return of lunar samples. India's Mars Orbiter mission demonstrated the country's capabilities in interplanetary exploration at a fraction of the cost of other missions. The UAE's Hope Mars mission has provided valuable data on the Martian atmosphere, showcasing the growing role of new spacefaring nations. As humanity continues to explore the cosmos, ethical considerations and the preservation of space environments will become increasingly important. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 established principles for the peaceful use of space, but new challenges such as space debris, planetary protection, and the exploitation of space resources will require updated regulations and international cooperation. Ensuring that space exploration benefits all of humanity and preserves the scientific and environmental integrity of celestial bodies will be crucial for the sustainable future of space activities. In conclusion, the history of spaceships is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the desire to explore the unknown. From the launch of Sputnik 1 to the ambitious plans for Mars colonization, the journey of space exploration has been marked by remarkable achievements, setbacks, and an ever-expanding horizon of possibilities. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, the legacy of past missions and the promise of future endeavors inspire us to continue reaching for the stars, pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and exploring the vast universe that lies beyond our home planet.